So it looks like this 100-piece set only has 3 pieces that light up. They're kind of see-through looking, so you can find them pretty easily. And if you look at the bottom, they have little buttons down here. If you push it once, it just turns it on. If you push it again, it goes to like a flashing mode. There we go. And if you push it again, it goes to like a glow mode, which is pretty cool. Doesn't look like it's easy to change the batteries. It looks like you would have to break it and then glue it back together. But you can kind of see inside there's a circuit board inside with batteries. So yeah, once these batteries die, that's it. And the fact there's only 3, I don't think that's good. I feel like there should be a lot more than just 3. So yeah, but that's what I think about them right now. At least the design does look pretty cool. It's pretty good quality. Sticks pretty well. And the printing quality is decent. Maybe you can kind of see it. Very nice quality in terms of printing. And the blocks themselves. But yeah, only 3 of them light up.
On the floor or something? Where does he